How to make faster, fewer, and better decisions. Hit subscribe and bell icon, so you'll never miss an update. Our intellectual and emotional horsepower gets depleted by the end of our workday. Leaders must never escape decision-making, but they must separate the high-leverage choices from the rest. There are 4 simple and time-tested leadership strategies to maximize the return on daily decision-making. The best foot forward is always to decide once after determining what schedule to follow or which vendors to use. Micromanagement not only negatively impacts their employees or followers but also zaps their own mental energy. It is incredibly critical to build and nurture a process that considers all variables. Your beliefs and thinking are manipulated by biochemical reactions in your body. Take good care by rejuvenating yourself so you can lead your company well. Follow these 4 simple leadership strategies to make fewer, faster, and better decisions.